Hi, Savi.
Hi,
Morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And you?
I am also fine.
Okay, so this is your first video
Yeah.
on YouTube. So, would you introduce yourself little bit?
Okay, myself Savitri Patel. I am from Riva and currently I live in Hyderabad with my husband.
Okay, that's great. And your
Yeah.
education? Okay.
My education is firstly 10 to 12th class in my village town and my engineering completed in Riva city, JN city Riva Engineering College, and MTech is also completed Riva Institute of Technology, and then I start working in a Bhopal BITS college, but currently I am a housewife.
Okay, that's great, dear. Okay. So,
Tell me
tell
about you something.
me, you know very well me, but yeah, I tell you, my name is Prarthana, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I am married. I have two kids, and yeah, I had completed my graduation. Now I'm a housewife, take caring my kids, and yeah, recently I started my YouTube channel. So when I get free time, then I make video and upload there. Like my
Okay.
practicing, and recently I started is learning this language.
Okay.
So like this video I make means first I practice and made video and upload there on YouTube. Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you. So Savi, how's your day today? Oh my God.
That's good. Today is Thursday, so I worship Vishnu Bhagwan. Then
Okay.
today I wear yellow cloth because today is Thursday, and today I prepare dal puri.
Yeah, I
Because
know.
my husband says that I want to eat dal puri, then I prepare.
Wow. Yeah. So do
Yeah.
you keep fast today?
No, not a fast, only for worship.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Eh,
Somebody
So
says that you worship Thursday or Vishnu Bhagwan, that's why I am worship.
okay.
Because before 1 to 2 years, 3 years something, I am a Nastic type. My friend says that Mani and Mansi says that you worship God, but I don't do. Then I
Okay.
started.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's yeah, I also believe on God too much.
You are not looking clearly.
Yeah, I think network is not. I think network issue. 1 minute.
This time is okay. This time okay.
Yeah, now okay now. You have network problem. Like sometime you're only seen picture, not video.
Oh, but here is connecting Wi-Fi, Geo Wi-Fi. But I don't know
Okay.
why reconnecting.
Do you have any topic to discuss about it?
Uh, like that,
Any topic you choose. I try my best.
girls versus wife
Okay,
before marriage,
that's
after marriage.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. That's yeah.
Uh, Tell me your experience before marriage and after marriage. Like that comparison. I
You
also
know,
discussed you.
no,
Before marriage,
so that
parents not says that not permitted me going here and there, and after marriage I will free.
yeah, before marriage, mama papa say don't go here and don't go there means don't talk with too much people like mostly boys. means my family is very strict family. So after marriage, no one say you don't do this, you don't do that. Means what I think, so I do. Means
Video is not
आजाद
showing
पंछी,
me.
आजाद पंछी मैं बन गया हूँ आजाद पंछी. So yeah, my
Yeah.
I feel more comfortable to now
Because parents is feeling fear for the our.
about my future. So that's why they said like this.
Okay.
And
But
boys,
my opinion is that before marriage I am very well, and I am free all the time, going here and there. I do everything with on my decision. But after marriage, I ask my mother-in-law, I am going and not. I ask my father-in-law, I am going or not. I ask also my husband. Then I am not free like that after marriage.
oh, but I am free.
Before
You don't
marriage,
know.
I am free. My parents says that you go everywhere, you are a free because you are mature after some time. Then you
Hmm.
go everywhere.
Means your mother family is very free type, free mind.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
mother, my mother family, nahi, my family. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, so was openly, but my paternal family is not.
Now you are
My
married. That's why.
mother-in-law is very good. My father-in-law is also, but father-in-law have some diseases. That's why he is feeling chidchidapan. Then,
Okay. Okay,
but
great. You
both
know,
are
boys,
very good.
yeah, both are very good. You know, Papa and Mama always worry about our future and
Yeah.
means, yeah. So
Our social decision is our social societies also say that your girl is going here and there, and this. That's why our parents fear.
yeah, you know, I enjoy that situation when I was kids. So I enjoy a lot of that situation. And when I am now, I'm woman, so I enjoy this situation. Means I
Yeah, after marriage, all body is enjoying because all body is free like that.
hmm.
Because with husband
Yeah.
supporting to you and me also.
Yeah, every husband is very good, I think.
Yeah, parents was free because he gives a one person gifted a car. Like husband, parents are free. You go
Yeah,
everywhere
with your husband.
with
So
your husband
yeah.
क्योंकि बॉडीगार्ड मिल गया है.
Yeah, you said it, you very good.
uh, boys free before marriage. After marriage, he doesn't free.
Yeah, he after marriage he doesn't, because after marriage he have too much responsibility.
Yeah.
So they, I think they
Sometime
will.
he getting late. That's why wife says that why you come late and where are you? What are you doing this time?
Yeah,
Lots of question. Wife has lots of question.
you know, before marriage boy is only lazy boy.
आजाद परिंदे.
Yeah, I don't know every boy like this, but some boys like this.
No,
I
every
don't
boys, yaar. Compare
know.
them girls, every boys free.
Sorry, every boy is not like this, I think. But yeah, some boys like this.
Sometime every boys, sometime not.
Yeah. But I seen like my family and my relatives, so all boy like this.
Yes.
And when they and after married, they full mature, like get up time and take means everything they doing on time. They do on
Yeah.
time. Yeah. So I think girls life very. I feel girls.
uh, Girls after marriage enjoying and boys before marriage enjoying.
You know, some girl not enjoying means in village. You know, when I live in village, so yeah, I enjoy because my house, like my large house, very good, like my mother-in-law very good, and my father-in-law and my sister-in-law also, so they are means very funny type. Every time they laugh and talk each other, so that's why
Yeah.
I enjoy that out there. But every family not like this.
Yeah, my mother-in-law is also so good and cute. I call when I call, then she is smiling. I am asking, why are you smiling? I saw you, then I am smiling. बोली ओ my face में जोकर दिख रहा है क्या? बोलेंगे no 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 no. Are you smiling? Then I also smiling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's depend how your nature means, not too much, but yeah, sometimes depends how your nature.
Yeah.
If you treat well, so they definitely treat well. So means
Mm.
not only, only ki like only girl depend, means both.
Both
समटाइम कि
responsible
दोनों
of this.
अगर सास अच्छे से बिहेव कर रही है, मतलब दोनों का रहता है कि थोड़ा आप मैनेज करो, थोड़ा वो मैनेज करें, दोनों मिलके बैलेंस करें तो वो सही रहता है.
Yes.
So I think we are talk too much. Thank you so much for joining me.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.